Hey guys, Andy here. So, I've opened up one of my presents. So, here we go. Got DVDs. Got Batman Begins. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Christian Bale as Batman. Yep. And Garrett Oldman as Jim Gordon. Which is Fox Morgan Freeman. Oh yeah. This is going to be good. Yeah, and plus I got Christopher Nolan, Gary Oldman, Morgan Freeman. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good right here. Yeah, I've also seen I think I've seen the trailer of this on one of my other Batman DVDs. Yep. Yeah, Batman Assault on Arkham. This is gonna be good. Yep. DC Universe Original Movie Plus. It's now Blu-ray in my collection. Got Batman Return of the Cape Crusaders. And it's Batman and Robin, no doubt, in the 1960 Batman TV series. Yep. Adam West reprises the role as Batman and Burt Ward as Robin. Got Batman Hush. Yep. Trust, Betrayal, and Death. I got Batman. The 80th Anniversary 18 Film Collection. This is gonna be good. I can't wait to watch these. And I got Batman the Complete TV Series, fully remastered. Look at all that. Let's take a picture of this. There you guys go. Can't wait to watch these. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys, peace out.